In this video we will show you about 10 facts that will make you want to exclaim, "Wow, I didn't know that." But first, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon. Fact number 1. Any person, no matter dead or alive, should have a passport to travel across France. The government of Egypt had to make a passport for Pharaoh Ramesses II so that they could bring his body to France for restoration. Besides that, when the plane with the body of Ramesses landed in Paris, he was greeted with all the honors. Let it be noted that the picture shown above isn't the actual passport of the pharaoh, but only how an artist envisioned and created it. Fact number 2. Once, a boy lived in Buckingham Palace unnoticed. On the 14th of December in 1838, a night porter in one of the rooms of Buckingham Palace caught a boy who was covered with soot. The boy was wearing 2 pairs of pants, and there were several pairs of female panties that fell out of his pockets. It turned out that this boy was hiding behind the furniture or inside of the chimneys during the day and would walk around the palace during the night. Sometimes he would hide under the table during royal meetings and eavesdrop on their conversations. When the boy was hungry, he would simply take food from the kitchen, and he even washed his clothes in the laundry. The boy managed to live in the palace for 1 year. He was caught in the palace a total of 3 times. Fact number 3. The belly button of each person is unique. There are about 2,400 different species of bacteria living in a person's navel, and more than half of them may be new to science. And it's the composition of those bacteria that make our belly buttons unique. Once scientists even discovered bacteria that had only been found in the soil of Japan and the navel of a person who had never visited this country in his lifetime and had no ties to the country. Fact number 4. Female deer instinctively run for help if they hear a human baby cry. The reason for this is due to the fact that the cry of a human baby falls within the same frequency range as the cry of a calf deer. The same thing happens among many mammals, including humans. When we hear the cry of a newborn baby, kitten, or puppy, the part of our brain responsible for responding to it gets activated, and it prompts us to rush to protect the little one. Fact number 5. There's a reason why we forget why we entered a room the second we do so. According to psychologists, passing a doorway activates something called the doorway effect, a mechanism that helps divide one group of memories from another. As soon as we step over the threshold of another room, our brain archives the thoughts we had in the previous room and empties space for the impressions and tasks in the new room. Thanks to this effect, we can easily shift to performing new tasks and organize the information received by our brain. Fact number 6. Ravens always share food. Ravens almost always act together and share the food they get so that everyone gets a bit. If ravens notice that the carcass is available, they spread the word instead of protecting it for themselves, even during winter. Fact number 7. Once, Julius Caesar was crossing the Aegean Sea and was captured by pirates who demanded a ransom of 1,366 pounds of silver, $600,000. According to records, Julius Caesar got very angry when he heard their demand because he thought that he was worth more, and he made them increase the price to 3,417 pounds of silver. While the Romans were collecting the money, Caesar played games with the pirates, read poems to them, sang songs, and treated them as his subjects. However, despite such friendly attitude, he warned them that once he was free, he would return to punish them. Fact number 8. An island located in a volcanic crater. There is an island in the Philippines that is considered to be one of the most unique places on Earth. Taal Lake on the island of Luzon has its own volcanic island, where there's a crater lake with a small island inside, called Vulcan Point. Therefore, it is an island in the lake located on the island in the lake on the island. Fact number 9. There is a full-time position for a Raven Master in the Tower of London. The ravens of the Tower of London is a population of black ravens that have a special symbolic meaning for Great Britain. That's why these birds are on the supply of the state. There is a special yeoman warder raven master responsible for feeding the birds and protecting them from dangers. The salary of a raven master is $31,900 per year. Fact number 10. Japanese scientists created a special fire alarm with wasabi smoke for the deaf. The Japanese company Air Water Safety Service developed a fire alarm that uses the smell of wasabi instead of sound. When the sensor is triggered, the gadget emits a mist that can serve as an alarm and doesn't cause a burning sensation in the eyes. This gadget will be extremely helpful for those people who cannot hear the sound of the alarm.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment saying about what other topic you would like to see a new video about. If you like this channel, please subscribe and activate all notifications so you don't miss the next video.